Hello, my dear friends. It's me, Nejmuddin, English teacher of MES Higher Secondary School, Mannarka. I'm very happy to share my information regarding with the scope and importance of BA English course, that is commonly known as BA Literature. So this is as part of the digital awareness program of Chomeri Arts and Sports Club, Mannarka. So I use this opportunity to congratulate the office bearers of Chomeri Arts and Sports Club, Mannarka. So we know what is the importance of English. English is a global language. It is the queen of all languages. So being an English teacher, I am very happy to share my experience with this particular course. When I completed my pre-degree course, I had a confusion which course I wanted to select, and I joined it for BA Economics. But I realized the value of BA English course and I joined it for BA English course. Then I took BEd English course, MA English course, and I became an English teacher. See, I completed MPhil English course and now I am doing my PhD program in English language and literature. See, when you completed plus 2 course, biology is there. See now, what is the importance of biology in plus 2 course? When we completed biology course, we know we can move to different fields or many areas. We can take medicine, engineering, paramedical courses, IAS course, banking course, etc. etc. Just like comparing with all other BA degree courses, BA literature has its own scope and importances. See, we know it's a 3-year course. It has included prose, poetry, drama, literary criticism, etc. And along with this, you will have some subsidiary subjects like journalism, British history, world history, etc. See, the language has enough scope and importances. See, when you completed English language and literature course, of course, you will have enough capability in communication skill. You can travel all over the world. You can apply many jobs in many multinational companies. Of course, when you completed BA English course, see, BEd English course is there. See, after completing BEd degree course, you can become as an English teacher. You can teach English language. Or if you have enough communication skill, you can speak English very fluently and you have plenty of job opportunities. See, one of the major thing is none other than journalism. You can move in the area of mass media. You will get the jobs like editor of a newspaper, publisher of a newspaper, printing, etc. And also, when you completed BA English course, jobs like public relation officer in human resource department. So, you completed the course, you will have the job opportunities like publishing officer, public relation officer, travel writer, blogger, administrator, manager, etc. Or after completing BA English course, If you want to continue your course, you can go to Master of Literature, MA English Language and Literature, and you can take MPhil English Literature. You have plenty of scope in the area of research. You can take a PhD course. So it's a highly demanded and glamorous course. Choose it and improve your prospects. See, along with this video, I can share you a link about the admission process and importance of English language and literature. So, good luck, all the best. Thank you very much.